When should you pause an Amazon PPC campaign without hurting performance later? So when we are pausing something is either we're onboarding an account, someone already ran ads on the account and we're seeing that, all right, they had their own strategy that is not paying off anymore, it's not bringing sales, we would just pause right away those things, especially if they're not bringing sales. The second thing when we would pause an Amazon PPC campaigns is if it's not part anymore of the strategy, but this is supposed to be the strategy that we created for an account. Example, there was this brand and most of their sales that we managed for a while, and most of their sales were coming from brand recognition, so branded keywords. But what we've done afterwards is like, okay, it's great that people already know us, they are going on Amazon, they're purchasing our product, they're finding our product first off, and then they are purchasing our product. But how about if we want to gain additional market share, what we would do about that? So what we did is we piled up 5 of their most relevant keywords for the product that described the product, that was longer tail, that was not super broad, and then we ran advertising for those and we ran exact match campaigns for those. And what we noticed is that even if we have, whenever someone is looking for our product, they're purchasing our product, we do not have any more competitive advantage on whenever someone is looking for our product but not for our brand, if they would consider us or not, because our product was way more expensive and honestly competitors had better images and so on, right? So that would be also a way, or when we would pause the campaigns when we're seeing that they are not performing anymore within the structure of the campaign or the strategy that we had. In this case, what we did is we wanted to run a quick test to see, are we any more relevant for those specific keywords that are describing our product that brought us sales 3 years ago. And the point that we were trying to make is that, look, right now I'm advertising, I'm spending $2,000-$3,000 on these specific keywords. They're highly descriptive of my product. People are looking for them to buy my competitor's product. We need to change, we need to improve, we have to make sure that our listings are competitive enough with whatever it's already on Amazon. So in that scenario also, once that you're running one of these campaigns, you would say, look, I have my data, it proved me that these are the next steps. You can pause the campaign so you don't have to keep it on the campaign. Those would be some of the ways how we would think about when should you pause a campaign without hurting performance later.